Good morning, class 5. Today we are going to read chapter number 6 from prose section, Robin Hood meets a stranger. Before going to start this chapter, let's warm up a little. Imagine that you were stuck on an island alone for days. One day you spot someone else on the island. What will you do? Suppose you go to an island and meet a stranger person in the island. What will you do? Fight with the person behind him or her? Sorry, befriend him or her? Try to hide or observe him or her? Tick the correct option as you like. Let's start. Robin Hood often went for long walks in the forest all by himself. He loved his outlaw army and enjoyed all the business of the king. But he had to be also on alert, watching and listening, visiting lookout posts and hiding places, sometimes slipping into Nottingham to learn the latest news. And this could be best to do on his own. Actually, Robin Hood is an army. Often he went for long walks in the forest. All by himself, he loved his outlaw. Outlaw means a lawless or a person who has broken the law, and enjoyed all the business of the camp. But he had to be also an alert, watching and listening, visiting lookout posts. Here lookout post means a place from where a guard observes, okay, and hiding places, sometimes slipping into the Nottingham to learn the latest news. And this could be best do on his own. The day Marian came to the forest, he was out on one of his patrols when he suddenly heard twigs being broken underfoot a little way ahead. He stepped aside from the path and waited, listening. Soon, from this hiding place, he saw a young man approaching the glade. Here, one day, Robin Hood had visited in the greenwood or forest. Suddenly he found a strange person. Okay, he was in the jungle. He was tall and strong and carried a dagger, only a dagger, and broadsword. Here broadsword means a flat broadsword. Sword, you know? Sword. Or dagger means a small knife. Suddenly he found that the stranger person has a dagger means a small knife and a flat and broad sword. For a moment it crossed Robin's mind that he had seen this young fellow before, but he dismissed the thought as he stepped out to challenge him. Actually, when he first saw the stranger, Robin Hood thought that he may know him, but he dismissed the thought, and as he stepped out to challenge him. What is your business here in the forest? Robin suddenly asked. Marian's heart gave a